In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check recent activity in Yahoo Mail. This is an easy way to confirm your account is secure and quickly spot any sign-ins you don't recognize. I'll walk you through it on a desktop web browser, and I'll add helpful tips along the way so you know exactly what you're seeing. Start by opening your browser and going to yahoo.com. If you're not already signed in, click the sign in button in the top right corner and log in with your account details. If Yahoo asks for a verification code, complete that prompt to continue. Once you're in your inbox or on the Yahoo homepage while signed in, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. Depending on your settings, this might be your photo or your initials in a circle. From the menu that opens, choose Manage Your Account. This will take you to your main Yahoo account settings page in the same tab or a new one. On that page, find and select the security section on the left side. If Yahoo asks you to verify your account again before showing security information, follow the on-screen steps to proceed. Inside the security section, look for recent account activity and click it. This view shows a timeline of your sign-ins and security-related events. You'll typically see the date and time, the device or browser used, and an approximate location. These locations are based on the network you were using at the time, so they might not be exact. For example, using a VPN, mobile data, or traveling can make the location appear different than your current city. To get a fuller picture of your history, click See All. This expands the list so you can review older entries. Take a moment to scan the devices, locations, and timestamps. Look for activity that fits your routine, like your laptop at home or your phone during a commute. If you notice an unfamiliar device, a place you didn't visit, or activity at a time you weren't online, treat that as a red flag. If anything looks suspicious, act promptly. Secure your account by updating your password and reviewing connected apps and devices. Turning on two-step verification adds an extra layer of protection so only you can sign in. It's also a good idea to check this recent activity page regularly, especially after traveling or when you've used a public computer. That's it. You now know how to find and review recent account activity in Yahoo Mail, what the details mean and how to use them to keep your account safe. Thanks for watching and stay secure.